Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what is object class in Java? Let me answer this question with practical demonstration. Out of all the classes in Java, object class is the root or parent class. No matter what class you will take, object class will be the parent class of the classes, okay, of all the classes in Java, either directly or indirectly. It may be an immediate parent or it can be a grandparent of any of the classes that you take in Java, okay. So object class is the root or parent class of all the classes that are there in Java. Every class in Java is directly or indirectly derived from the object class. That means every class in Java is directly or indirectly a child or grandchild class of the object class in Java. So how to prove that object class is the root class or parent class of all the classes in Java? For that, I have to take you to the documentation of Java. So go to any version, no worries. Just go to any version. Let's take a latest LTS version, Java JDK 21 API documentation. Like Google search like this, guys. Once you get the search results, click on the link and you'll be taken to the API documentation page. If not, just click on this API documentation, you will be taken to, okay? So somehow you have to be taken to the API documentation page of Java JDK, whatever the version that you have searched there. Now here, search for any class, any predefined class in Java or something. For example, string predefined class, if I search for the string predefined class, you see this is string predefined class. And see that here, who is the parent of the string predefined class? Object class. Okay, object class is the parent of the string predefined class. Here, parent or root class of all the classes in Java is object class. For string class also, object class is the parent class. If I take file input stream, some random classes I am taking in the java.io package, we have file input stream. You see, for file input stream, immediate parent is input stream, but the actual grandparent is object class. Okay, object class is the grandparent. Either it will be the immediate parent or the grandparent of all the classes that are there in Java. No matter what, you take any class in Java. Okay, let's take scanner class. Whatever the classes I remember in Java, I'll just take you to the particular documentation pages of the such classes and show you that scanner class. Scanner class is a child class of the object class. So object is the root class or parent class of all the classes in Java. What else classes we are left out with? I'll take arrays class. Arrays. Arrays also is the child class of the object class. Object is the parent root class of all the classes. Okay, in Java. Okay, parent or grandparent root class of all the classes in Java. So I'll take you to the exception class, or I'll take you to this what is that number. I'll take you to the array index or arithmetic exception otherwise. Okay, I'll take you to the arithmetic exception class. Arithmetic exception class. Let's go to the arithmetic exception class and observe that arithmetic exception class is the grandchild class of the object class, guys. You see, object is a grandparent, throwable, then exception. You see, in how many layers are there in hierarchy? So arithmetic exception is the grandchild of this one of grandchild of object class. Okay, object class is a grandparent of this arithmetic exception. Object class is also the grandparent of runtime exception also, but for throwable object is a parent class. Okay, so after all this demonstration, you would have already understood that object class, what is object class, is a root or parent or grandparent class of all the classes in Java, either directly or indirectly. If it is a immediate child class, is directly. If it is a grandchild class, is indirectly the, okay, root class or grandparent or parent class of all the classes that are there in Java. No matter what classes you take in Java, all the classes are the child classes of the object class, either directly or indirectly, means either in the way of grandchild or children. Okay, they are derived from the object class, which is a root class of all the classes in Java. Because object class is the root or parent of all the classes in Java, all the predefined methods of this object class are inherited by their child or grandchild classes. I'm going to demonstrate this for you. I'm going to demonstrate how all the predefined methods of the root class, which is object class, are inherited automatically by the child or grandchild classes. Every class in the Java is a grandchild class or child class of the object class. So all the predefined methods of the object class are automatically inherited by the children or grandchildren. So to show that, I'll just take you to the again the same documentation of Java. Just search for Java JDK 21 API documentation. The search results, you should get the documentation. Click on this. If you're not directly taken, just click on this API documentation. Most of the cases, it will be directly taken. If not taken, click on the link, you'll be taken. And here, what I'm telling, I'm searching for object class. Okay. Go to the object class. This is the object class. Yeah. You see, it's the root class. Okay. It's the root class of all the classes. It's the super class of all the classes, or it's a base class of all the classes, or okay, grandparent class of all the classes in Java, including everything, guys, including everything. It has some predefined methods like this. These are few predefined methods of this object predefined class, which is the root class of all the class in Java. Clone, equals, finalize, get class, hash code, notify all, toString, wait. All these predefined methods, when you create an object for the object class, if I create a new class here, just for sample, for practical demonstration, if I create a new class here, I'll just name this class as class E. With main method I'll create. If I try to create an object for the object class, which is the root class of all the class in Java, for example, I'm trying to create an object for object class, which is a root class. Object is equal to new object. Like this, if I create an object for the root class in Java, okay, you see, this object is from java.language package, and using the object reference, we can access all these methods. These are all the predefined methods of the object class: equals, get class, hash code, whatever I have shown in the documentation, right? Are coming here. You see, object dot, you see, wait, toString, notify, hash code, get. All these methods are coming. For example, if I create one of the object for one of the class, like a new string of, for example, if I say Arun Pottery here, okay, if I create an object for any class in Java, it may be string class, it can be string buffer class, it can be file input stream, it can be any class. If I create an object and using the object reference, if I try to create, access some methods, right, along with this particular string class predefined methods, you will also get some methods inherited from the object class, guys. Okay, you will get some methods from the, you see, some wait methods will be there, right? Yeah, wait methods are coming. You see, wait methods are from the object class. Wait methods are from the object class. Okay, like that. That what is the thing, guys. Okay, what else I can do here? So I'll do one thing. I'll try to create an object for the class E. Okay, class E. CE is equal to new. This is a user-defined class. Even these user-defined classes are also the child classes of the object class. Okay, all the classes in Java and along with the user-defined class are also the child classes of the object class in Java. If I use this object reference CE dot, you see all the predefined methods of this object class, inherited predefined methods of the object class will be, you see, clone, okay, get class, toString, wait, okay, all these methods are coming. You see, finalize, hash code, notify, all these predefined methods of the object class are inherited by any classes in Java, including the predefined class, user-defined class, and also the child class of the object class in Java. Okay, so how to prove that this object is a parent class? I can do one thing like this. For example, here if I say new string of, okay, I'll write something like Arun. Again, I'll write Arun instead of my last name. I'll write Arun. Okay, and here here I'll say str2 is equal to, what is the, here I have to declare this with string class generally. What if I create object class here? If I declare that with object class, will there be any problem? No problem. You see, the issue is resolved, guys. Okay, you see, because objects of the child class can be assigned to the variables of the parent class in Java. Objects of the child class can be assigned to the variables of the parent class or interface, so there is no need to worry. Okay, all the classes, we can create objects and assign them to the variables of the parent classes or interfaces. Okay, so for example, if you create an object for the integer class, new integer, okay, it's deprecated, so I cannot use that. Earlier it used to be there, integer class used to be there, now it's got deprecated. Any class you take, since it is deprecated, I don't want to demonstrate that. Okay, any class you take, okay, new exception, if I say new exception, let's say new exception, I take this new exception class, and here is exc exception, I'll write here, and I can declare this with exception class again. I can declare this with it's a predefined class in Java, guys. Exception is a predefined class, or I can replace it with object class also, because object class is a parent class of all the classes in Java. Hence, the objects of the child classes or grandchild classes of this object class, okay, for which you can create objects and assign them to the variable of the object class, okay, which is a parent and grandparent of all the classes in Java. So hope guys, with a practical demonstration, you got the answer for this question. What is object class in Java? Object class is a root class or parent class of all the classes in Java, either directly or indirectly. All the classes in Java are inheriting or deriving the object class. Okay, so all the methods of the object class will be automatically inherited by all the predefined and user-defined classes in Java, which are either the grandchild or child classes of the object class in Java, which is the root class of all the classes in Java. Okay. So with practical demonstration, I've answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.